Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to set up auto reply in Gmail. So maybe you run your own business, or you're a freelancer, or maybe you're just someone who has a lot of important emails. You can set up an auto reply that pings off automatically when you're away. And this is like free and quick and easy to do in Gmail. I'm going to show you how now. So navigate to your Gmail account, and then you're going to click on the top right hand corner, which is your settings tab. From there, you're going to click on see all settings. So make sure you're on the general section, and you're going to scroll right down to the bottom. So this is where you can see you've got a section that says vacation responder. So this sends an automatic reply to incoming messages. If a contact sends you several messages, this automated reply will be sent out at most once every 4 days. So you can see I've got mine off at the moment. So I'm going to click it to on. So say I was going away for a week, I'm going to change the day. So I'm going away the next day. And you can also add in the day you're coming back. So I'll leave that at 7 days. So I can say out of office as the title, or you could say I'm on holiday, something like that, whatever you want to say. So you can write in your own message what you want to say to people, or you can use ChatGPT like I've done. So I've just written in, give me a short message I can use in Gmail to say I'm out of the office for 1 week. So it's given me subject, out of office. Then it says, hello, thank you for your email. I'm currently out of the office and will return on the date. I will respond to your message as soon as possible after my return. If your matter is urgent, please contact. And you can add in name, email, and add in your name at the end. So I'm just going to copy that over. Then I'm going to change up the details that I want to say. So thank you, email. I will return on February the 12th. So I'll write in 12th of Feb. I'll respond to your message as soon as possible after my return. If your matter is urgent, I can add another contact name or email, and then I'll write my name at the end. You can delete any bits that don't suit you, and you can also check the box that says only send to people in my contacts. We don't have to do that. When you're happy with that, you just click on save changes, and that email will go out while you're away, so you can just enjoy your holiday and not have to respond to emails. So I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.